At South Suburban, sustainability is really important to us, and in our sustainability committee, we were offered a chance to apply for a grant. After talking to all the districts, we determined that we would buy $11,000 worth of electric equipment, and through the grant they covered $8,800 of that. So we were able to actually purchase 12 weed whips and 5 chainsaws along with 16 batteries and 9 chargers. Using electric over gas is going to have a 0 carbon footprint, and that's what we're striving for. So you're still going to see our crews out in the parks doing what they normally did with gas powered, only they're going to do it with electric. It's an easy transition. Everything is going to keep looking great.
We need beekeepers. The thing about Hudson Gardens is it's an unbelievably ripe environment for honeybees. I've been doing this for a good long while. And for me to be able to bring in somebody who's never done this and explain on a pretty easy to understand level of this is how you can do it and these are all the different techniques. And I think it's amazing when you see somebody's eyes when they open up a hive and they look down in there the first time and they see the hive doing its thing. And you just go, wow. So it's kind of exciting to turn new people on to that kind of a thing. Help us save the bees.
Welcome to the new South Suburban Sports Dome. We wanted to upgrade this facility so it's consistent with the other facilities within South Suburban. The 3 primary sports that are going to be played here are soccer, lacrosse, and flag football. But that's not the only thing that goes on here. We're going to have fitness training and the big Easter egg hunt.
Partnerships like ours between South Suburban and South Metro Safety Foundation help get our message of South Suburban's message of health and wellness and our message of safety and empowerment out to the communities. And today we have hundreds of people here hearing those messages.
Good health and aerobic exercises along with joy and happiness. We're here at South Suburban to provide for you, the residents of the district. Now, if you look behind me, you see all these kids having a great time. I'm going to join them. I'm looking forward to having the fun that they are, and you will be too.
So I want to welcome everybody to this great event. Projects like these are very important to the community.
Thank you all so much for joining us tonight at this amazing facility. Some of you will remember, maybe many of you, that the original bubble that was here was actually built in 1985. So it had long outlived its life expectancy. About December of 2021, Mother Nature blew the whole thing down. So that led to this. It's hard to imagine that this is the same footprint as the bubble. It's just everything's oriented different and it's higher and it's gorgeous.
Let's toast this great investment to the community and all the hard work that's been done to make this project a reality.
So we're here today to celebrate the grand opening of the new pickleball court in Lone Tree.
All right, let's go play some pickleball.
Pickleball is one of the fastest growing sports in the nation, including here in Lone Tree. In addition to the courts, you'll notice that we new retaining walls, security fencing, landscape improvements, and a plaza area with shade and pavilion.
This is one of the hottest growing sports, if not the hottest growing sport in America. So we want to make sure our community has access to play pickleball. So we're here to celebrate that and get this thing open and have a lot of people out here having fun.